In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Outlook. If you want Outlook's menus and settings to appear in a different language, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main inbox view where you can see your messages and access your account options. Starting from Mail makes it easy to find the settings area connected to your Outlook experience. Once you're in Mail, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is usually shown as a small gear symbol. The settings menu is where Outlook keeps most of the display and account preferences, including language options. After opening settings, find and click on General. This section contains broader account and interface preferences rather than message-specific options, so it's the right place to continue when you want to change how Outlook appears. Inside General, click on Language and Time. This page lets you manage the language used in the Outlook interface, along with related regional and time preferences. If you're changing languages because you're more comfortable using Outlook in another language, this is the key section you'll need. Now, under the language area, click the downward arrow. This will open a drop-down list of available languages. Take your time here and scroll through the options carefully until you find the language you want to use. Depending on your current settings, the list may show languages in their native names, so it helps to look closely before selecting. Once you find your preferred language, select it from the list. After that, click Save or OK to confirm the change. This final step applies your new language preference to Outlook. In some cases, Outlook may update right away. In others, you might need to refresh the page or reopen Outlook before the new language appears everywhere in the interface. That's normal, so don't worry if the change isn't instant. And that's it. By going to Mail, opening the settings icon, selecting General, choosing Language and Time, using the language dropdown and saving your selection, you can quickly switch Outlook to the language that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Outlook language settings with confidence.